Hey, what's up guys? I have an HVAC video for all of you. And as you can see by the title, it is finally time for me to turn on my 2003 Carrier 38 CKC AC unit for the first time this cooling season. This unit has been running just prior to me making this video, but yeah. This unit is still running very strong even after 21 years of it being in service. So here is obviously the serial number and our model. 29th week of 2003, July of 2003 is when it was made. And of course, our model is a 38 CKC 3-ton AC unit because of the 36 right here. And of course, the whole unit itself is still running very strong. And of course right here is our liquid and suction lines, which go into our evaporator coil inside the home. So there's that. And of course, the inside. There's our condenser coils on the outside of the unit, which of course, it dissipates the heat from the compressor, which of course has the refrigerant inside of there. If I remember, the refrigerant, I believe, is R22. At 4.6 pounds or 2.09 kilograms. Our power supply 208 to 230 volts, but since this is, it'll still run fine on 240 volts. So, anywho, there's the compressor, which is made by Bristol. So, it's Bristol reciprocating compressor. Bristol stopped making compressors in 2018 because the company sadly went bankrupt. So, there's that. Of course, our fan top, which is starting to wear down a little bit. A lot of rust is starting to form. And of course, the paint is starting to peel off as it ages. And the condenser fan motor is made by GE, right here. It runs at 1100 RPM and does 1/3 horsepower, which is obviously very strong torque. So, there you go. And of course the fan itself, which dissipates the heat, is made by RevCore. The fan is original, obviously. No modernizations, no replacement fans. So this fan is still in great working shape. And of course the barcode there is obviously worn out. So there's the information about it. You can barely see it because that barcode was sadly, destroyed by the ultraviolet radiation from the sun. So, anywho, I don't think I have anything else in mind other than the fact that this AC has a loud compressor. It is super noisy when it's running. So, with no more to say, let's fire this AC unit up. Alright, so there it is, guys. This unit is still as strong as ever. The only problem is that the air is not blowing directly into the camera. It's actually blowing to the side. I don't know why that is, but if anybody knows why, please let me know in the comments. But other than that, this unit is still as strong as it should be when it was first made. course, we have our liquid and suction lines. It's very cold, and of course, very hot. So yeah, there you go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please consider subscribing. It really means a lot. And of course, thank you all very much for watching.